Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the dumbest automotive channel in all of YouTube. Not really. Well, Saturday morning, it's time to wash the C30. I haven't washed it in a couple of weeks, so let's do that now. I'm still thinking about buying another car, but you know, the financial conditions are not so great. Well, overall economy is not doing very well for various reasons, which I will not mention here. I'm not gonna start to get political or start talking about the economy here. I already watch enough videos that talk about the economy overall, you know, worldwide economy, Canadian economy. Justine, the Justine man, should be ousted, but I'm not gonna go down that route. So I'm still thinking of buying another car, aka Porsche, which would be maybe kind of a financial, I guess, squeeze. So I'm still considering that now. We will see. I'm financially okay. I'm not poor, obviously, and I'm not a millionaire. I'm not rich, but I have some investments. Stock market, all that stuff, all that crap is not doing so well, obviously, for various reasons, which I will not mention here. I'm not gonna start talking about it, but and get angry. But I got some gold, I got some silver, so there it is. It's plenty of dirty, especially the rear bumper. It's really dirty. You can't see it that well because the poor lighting in the garage. I don't want to make this video too long or other people won't want to watch it. The wheels are really dirty. I think I brought my brush with me. I cleaned the wheels with my brush 2 weeks ago, but they're already extremely dirty. Let me bring the whole bag. I have to always change. There's something I always have to do here because it's dripping. I bet it's not open. I mean, I bet it's closed. It is closed. Well, I thought somebody left the door here open. Why? Why do you leave the door here open? I don't know why. Anyways, I have to change this bit here. So let's do that now. Bear with me. It's gonna be too long of a video. I decided not to do a time lapse. Maybe I'll cut this out of the video. I don't know. I'm gonna get that. I always have to come here. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to clean my wheels. Anyways, I always change that. My sprayer. Let me do my belt. My pants are falling. I know another thing, I need to lose weight, more weight. I'm too stressed out to lose weight for various reasons. There's pressure here. I should have. There you go. That's yeah. I was telling myself, don't forget to squeeze the lever, in order for the water to fall out. I don't spray myself. Residual water pressure. Hang this. Residual water pressure always gets me. I always make sure this is closed and I squeeze the throttle. Squeeze the lever. This. I guess I'll leave it here. I gotta yank this, I'll leave it there. Turn on the water, start spraying. Start doing that job. They get wet. They get wet, yeah, a little bit. Just un petit peu. I'm gonna have to do some acrobatics here. I didn't tighten it that much. Oh, I tighten it. Wait. I wish I had 3 hands right now. I don't think I tightened this very well. I'm too much in a hurry. I have to go to the grocery store. Let's give it a spritz. Put the camera down here. That's a shitty video for this one. There you go. Put this back in here. I thought I had the grip on the pliers, but let's go back. It's a little bit more juice here. A little bit more. Start from the top to the bottom. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. To keep this part away from my feet because they're already getting wet. Just put on new socks. I just took a shower this morning and I put on new socks. I don't want to get them wet. To keep my distance all the way around. This is the fastest and easiest way to wash your car. You don't want to fuss over it too much. And there's not much light here. On this side, a little bit on the wheels, a little bit in the wheel well as well. Yata, yata, yata. Can you feel the rhythm? Can you feel the rhythm? Can you feel the rhythm? It's burning, it's burning. Can you feel that rhythm? Can you feel the rhythm? Can you feel the rhythm? I don't know if those are the right words. Let's stop it. I'm gonna get my rag, my Jewish smata, in order to give it a run. It's on the other side. I'm in such a hurry that I forgot that I placed it here. Bum 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 bum. Let's get this wet a little bit wet as well before I start scratching the car. The car? It's okay? Is it good? I know my feet are getting wet. I just put the socks on. Then let the soap sink in a little bit for a little while. La 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 la. Muito bom, muito bom. Do you know that I'm half a Brazilian? Half a Brazilian or full Brazilian? So the story is that I was born here in Montreal. My family's been all over. My family's been all over the place, you know. And I was born here in Montreal, but first time I went to Brazil, I was 2 years old. 2 years old. My mother was born in Brazil. My father was born in Germany. But my father grew up in Brazil himself. So, anyways, I went to live in Brazil when I was 5 years old. When I came back to Montreal, I was 13 years old. I think I had just turned 13 about a month or so. Yeah. What am I still doing here? Don't know. I'm washing this car. I came here to buy cars, luxury cars. I came here to buy BMWs, Audis, Mercedes, Porsches. That's my life. My life is about. Do you know, bro? I have to talk less and do more. I have to go to the grocery store still. I know, I should switch rags because it's gonna pick up the crap from the bottom to the top. I don't want that to happen. So, yeah. I could speak Portuguese if I wanted to, but as I make a video, my videos are not targeted in Portuguese or Brazil for that matter, unfortunately. Infelizmente. I don't speak like that, I speak proper. Infelizmente não dá. Dá sim, tem que mudar o canal, tem que mudar o nome, tem que fazer tudo diferente. Tem que mudar tudo para português e mudar. Dados. Não sou. I'm not Mr. Beast. Não sou o Mr. Beast. Fiz o canal dele com vários idiomas diferentes, né? Então, idiomas. Sou um idioma. Idiota. Idioma. Vamos ficar frente, né, gente? I was designed to win. I'm designed to win. Designed to win. At the bottom, I don't think I reached it properly. Vamos ver a parte de baixo. Debaixo do carro. Tudo molhado aqui. Claro, está molhado porque é água, né? Obviamente, né? Burro. Seu burro. Burro. Todo dia eu chamo alguém de burro. Todo dia. Todo dia tem alguém que é burro. Burro. Você é muito burro. Burro por demais. Burro por demais. Né? Well, what's happening, bro? Look at me clean. And my fat stomach isn't getting away. That's what happened. You come to this country, you get fatter. You get fat. I'm talking to myself. I hope my neighbors don't come down here now. Os vizinhos vão pensar que eu pirei de vez. Eu tô pirando. Fiquei louco. Eu tô meio louco, né? Do jeito que tá as coisas, do jeito que tá tudo, eu já tô ficando pirado. Não tem jeito. Essa é a verdade, Gigi. A Gigi tá ali em cima. Não se preocupa, não vai arranhar o Mercedinho amanhã. 230 como é? 6 marchas para frente e uma para trás. Vou jogar mais um pouquinho de água. O que vai acontecer é que vai sair a residual amount of acho que eu tô com Alzheimer, estou falando inglês, tocando as línguas. Sai um restinho residual income, residual money. Vai sair resto de sabão, lava carro, car wash soap, residuals. Dentro, door jams. Vou ter que fazer